Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again for the 116th time this week. Today we're going to be doing another oil change on the BMW M5, and then we're going to go ahead and start on the rear of the car. Yeah, that's right. We got hit. We got rear-ended. Very sad time. Bought my dream car finally, and it gets rear-ended. That's okay. We have the know-how to fix it, and we're going to get it fixed, and we're going to make it look even better than it did before. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video while you're here. We got tons of stuff going on, posting frequently. We got this build going on sometimes, that build, a wagon build. Everybody just stay tuned and you'll see a lot of cool stuff. Alright guys, as you know, get the car up to temperature. I'm not going to go through this detailed. If you want to see it detailed, I have a video for that, and I'll link it in the bio for you to watch. But get the car up to temp and get her jacked up. Safety. Ooh la la. Oh yeah. Ooh. Nice. Yeet. Ah. Leaking. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Sponsor me. Ah. Yeah. Boop. Oh. Glug. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeet. Ow. Ah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Huh. Alright guys, here we go. This is the damage. I've already taken this bumper off and assessed the damage and put it back on to make it look a little bit better. Obviously we don't have the bumper or the trunk yet, so for the time being we're just going to take all this junk off and run it with no bumper till the new bumper gets here, and until the new trunk gets here. That'll have to stay on. But let's go ahead and take off this bumper. First piece would be this diffuser that I zip tied back on. Now we got, I believe, 3 bolts right there. And I guess I'll go ahead and jack up the car. I should have probably done that first. I do have the front wheels chalked with some 2x4s. Don't know how much you can really trust these Harbor Freight jack stands. So now I'm going to get a Torx bit and take those out real quick. First thing I need to do is really just get everything out of the way. Here. and then see if we can get a grinder or something in there. So with a whole lot of cutting, finally was able to get that off. Got the new crash bar here. Let's see if this goes into place. That's awesome. Went perfectly into place. Nice. Well, got everything on there basically temporarily until the bumper comes in and we can actually put everything, you know, how it's supposed to be. But got that top bracket on, got the crash bar on, got the parking sensor zip tied, so hopefully that coat on the dash will at least go away. I guess I'll just go ahead and put the wheels back on, and then we'll wait for the bumper and the trunk and all that cool stuff. So good news, those sensors did fix the warning when you throw it in reverse. All the sensors work now, so that's awesome. Now we just need to work on getting the wheels and tires on it. Wheels now say, they did say they were supposed to be here Friday, tomorrow. But now the wheels say that they're going to be here Monday. So I'll do my best to get those on there Monday. We'll put these big old meats on here. Got some big old tractors for it. And I hate to say this, but right now I have these tiny little tires on this car. These are Federal ST1s and they're 245/35/20s. I put these on this car so I could get the sensors out of these wheels for the new wheels, and these are going on the wagon. With the new alignment, these tires stick, I would say, twice as good as the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Now, with that being said, it could be the fact that the alignment was a little bit off, but it could also be the fact that the tires were just old and dry rot. Well, they weren't really dry rotted, but they were just hard. It definitely didn't feel like a 300 tread wear to me, but these are also a 300 tread wear. And we had two of these on 275s on our 535i that was full bolt on, and it did really good. So if you're looking for a cheap tire, I would recommend that. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. We'll call this part 1. Hopefully we'll get everything done within 2 to 3 parts, probably 3, but if everything comes in fast enough, we'll do it in 2 parts. I'm just trying to do my best to crank these videos out for y'all so you have something to watch, maybe some new content. Hopefully it's doing really good for y'all. Hopefully you're enjoying the way that I'm videoing things. If not, comment down below. Let me know what you want to change, or let me know what I should video, or if there's any new things that you want me to try and video that and post it. I'll do my best to do whatever it takes to make everybody happy. But that's it for now, and I'll see you all next video.